I'm off to my client's house. I have appointment. I'm going to do an install. I will take you through how I'm doing it. So just wait. I'm here already. Just starting straight away, no wasting time. I'm already in love with the air. The curl pattern is so nice for the locks, interlock. The shrinkage is okay. I believe it will lock faster. So I will start by sectioning the air. Just watch the video closely. You will get to know what I'm doing. Now, this is a foundation. I'm laying a foundation. And at this point, you have to be very keen because this is an hairstyle that the client will wear forever. So you have to give it your best, more so when you are grading. This grid are the ones which will guide me when I start locking. So this mostly take a lot of time. It took me about 1 hour. 1 hour to do this foundation. So once you're satisfied, you bundle it with a band. You start with the center going down, and then from ear to ear, going up like I'm doing. You saw the other one was also from ear to ear. So I will repeat this and on the other side too. But always you have to start at the center, that center line. Make sure it's at the center. That one I will section again later. This is one thing you can do over and over. Now this will continue until I have achieved what I'm looking for. I want to section it into 12 parts. Yeah, the hair is short. I would have done like 10, but the hair is short. Locks, microlocs, tiny locks, interlocks, or braid lock. I would advise you to always insist on getting a grid, a perfect grid, more so when you are a lover of styling. That one will help you so much when you want to style your hair. Though there are many people who does their lock without any grid pattern or anything, but it still looks okay. Lock is lock. Eventually it will lock and it will be beautiful. The only different thing is only if you want to style it, it will not come out nicely. Now we are done. You can see my grid, it's so clear. You see them? Yeah. This is what I've come out with. You can see the grid clearly. It's beautiful. I'm continuing with the sectioning. Now this one's as for now we want to start locking. Using the interlock method. I'll start by running my fingers, and I have tools that I use to tighten it. Sorry, my speed is so fast, but don't worry. I will show you. Don't give up, just watch. I'm gonna slow down and explain. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the video up to the end. Give me a thumbs up. Invite your friend, share the link. Most so the ones who consider having locks or even have locks. So this is the tool. I thread it, then I'm using 3-point rotation. Once I've sectioned that line of that grid, then I lock them using my fingers first, then I tighten with a tool. So when I make a row, I just go with it, lock them on, then I finish with a tool to tighten it well. Because when you're running your fingers, it reaches a point where your finger cannot pass through. So that is the point you leave it, and then you continue with the tool. So I'm done with this part. You can see how the grade is very, very clear. You can see a scalp. Yes. Then you bundle it and continue with the So another section is done. By the way, if you don't like showing your scalp, this is not a style for you. In this style, scalp has to be seen and very clear. There is coming out nicely. I love it. Watch closely. I want to show you how it's being done here. After sectioning the hair, you hold the tip, or you can even do a twist and twist at the tip, or just palm rod it. Then run your finger like from north to south, then you go east, west, then you come again north, south, then west, east, just like that. That is a 3-point rotation, I mean. Then if you reach where your finger cannot go through, then thread the tool, then continue the same point rotation with the tool until it's tight. Don't tighten it so much, it will bring tension. We don't want that. Just like that. And make sure you hold that tool. Don't run it through the other lock. I hope you got something there. Kindly let me know in the comment section where you don't understand. I can explain it further. That one is done. Ona sasa, ona venye ni safi, mali safi hapa. Wase, please subscribe, tujenge hii channel please. Let's grow together, journey together. I'm done. This is the first day. This is how it ended. Remaining with some locks there for tomorrow. Day 2. We are entering day 2. So for day 2, we started in the afternoon. Guys, if you happen to know anyone who consider having sister lock or even want to change a loctician, I'm here. I'm based in Kisumu, though I do all house calls. I can come to your comfort zone. You can see my client is just in her house doing a thing. She's working from house and also doing her hair at the same time. So you can give referrals. I'll be so glad. And I'm so grateful for those who have subscribed. Thank you so much. I know with time we will grow. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So check on this one closely again. You see, I'm going from north to south, then west to east, then again north, south, then east, west. That is 3-point rotation. If you're doing 4-point rotation, you'll have to move all those angles. Now we are done. Our sister lock is fully locked. So welcome to air freedom here, little girl. I'm just trying to mist it. You can see how our hair has turned out so beautiful. This one will flourish. Give it 3 months, it will be very full. I hope I will continue doing a retie. If I do, I will be sharing a journey here. It was nice having you around. Please come again. See you in my next video.